Number 8, use the following triangle to write the trig ratios. You may round your answer to 3 decimal places. We learned on the last one you don't have to. So let's remember SOHCAHTOA. So sine of some angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of some angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tangent of some angle is opposite over adjacent. So we're starting with angle A as our reference. So let's label our sides. So first start with across from the right angle. That's always a hypotenuse. And then across from our angle of reference, that's the opposite. And then the remaining side next to the angle, that's the adjacent. So now we can just pull those numbers for our fractions. So opposite over hypotenuse, 7 over square root of 85. Adjacent over hypotenuse, 6 over square root of 85. Tangent, opposite over adjacent, 7 over 6. Okay, now we're looking at reference angle B. So now this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent, and that makes our sine and cosine switch. So opposite over hypotenuse for sine is 6 over square root of 85. The new adjacent is 7 over square root of 85. And then for tangent, opposite over adjacent is now 6 over 7. It's the reciprocal of tangent of A. So I'm not going to round these. I didn't round the last ones, and it marked them all right. Because trig functions, they create fractions. We will start actually solving them and have to get decimals and values. But for now, we're leaving them as ratios, which is a fraction. So I'm going to put the fractions in. Notice how I just copy pasted sine and cosine match for the opposite reference angles. And then the tangent is a reciprocal. So it'll still mark it right even if you don't round your answer.